48 inches, right? So this is this. Alright. Now this is 3 feet 4 inches. And this is our file. File. This is 40 centimeters in the area. Right? This is 40. Here. Okay. And the way forward part or either our file top will reach here when we drive the file. So this is our cable strand. Down here, right? Now this area, we have to check this. We have to check that, and the file head will remain here approximately 4 inches. So this one, cable strand, we have to bend this. And then maintain the reinforcement for fire up as shown in the drawing. And also the bottom reinforcement of the fire up shall be if the cable strand of the fire. Based on the drawing, we have to excavate from the existing ground and down here to the level. This is our blinding, which is 2 inches. So, since the surveyor already staked out the focus slab elevation, which is 70 centimeters above existing ground, 16 ground. Centimeter, 7 feet. And then the bawah head kita berapa ya Pak? Kita titik, and then this one is titik 4 inches plus 2 inches complete binding. Now the height of the pile top is 3 feet 4 inches. Now this is the concrete cover of the pile top. The reinforcement is 4 inches. So 3 feet 4 inches minus 4 inches, this will be 3 feet. Okay? Now, after the pile driving, that the pile reaches like 16 down, the surveyor will mark this area around the pile and the will excavate to the bottom of the pile up concrete binding, right? And then the surveyor will mark that here. After marking it here, then we will start shaping all the concrete block, concrete pile inside the pile cup up to the level which is from pile head, which is below to the bottom of the pile cup. To it, that after the excavation around the concrete pile, until to the level of the concrete blinding, our water pump is ready to pump the water if rainfall occurred during construction or chipping of the concrete pile, because we are now in rainy season. Now, this is the reinforcement of the pile. So here, and this is our concrete pile cable strand going down. Okay, so we have to chip this area. After chipping this area, we will embed the concrete pile cable strand to the pile top reinforcement. Understand? Okay. So that's all. And, thank you for giving your time to listen and watching my illustration about the concrete piles and the pile top.